Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I have my friend Kim here. Kim is a dietitian, and today we're going to talk about nutrition stuff, which is very exciting. So because it's the new year, we're thinking about health goals. So you might be having goals for the year. So I just thought, Kim, how do you go about advising people how to make a goal, like a health goal for the year?
Hmm. I guess it's a good place to start with what you want to achieve broadly. So that's going to be different for each person, and each of us, and our health is unique, and what we want to achieve with our health is unique. And I think, the common one is always weight loss in the new year, but thinking, more laterally, what are some specific things, like maybe your cholesterol's a bit high and you want to get that down, or maybe you want to get fit, or maybe you just want to eat some more vegetables. So I think once you have a big picture idea of what you want your health to look like, getting a bit more specific around how you can do that. And I think we can be tempted to go down a bit of a quick fix route.
Yeah.
Definitely solve that with a lot of products or a lot of programs online saying, do this 4-week course and you'll be healthy and you'll be great. But I really promote people to make, small changes that are going to have a long-term impact, and that they can implement into their lifestyle, you know, long term, forever, hopefully, that are going to be beneficial to them, rather than just doing something for 4 weeks or however long, and then it's not sustainable. It's really hard. And so you go back to your old ways anyway, and nothing
Mm,
really changes. So it needs to be something that's achievable for you to actually do. Don't think too big. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So
Mm.
yeah, so don't go like crazy, because I feel like what you're saying is like you think, doing something quickly, you'll get the magical results, but it's, yeah, long-term things are better. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think after Christmas and, it's the new year, we're all like motivated, this is going to be the year, it's different, we make changes. But that motivation quickly runs out, and it can be hard to continue with those big changes that we've made, maybe while we're on holidays, or just feeling good. So if we're a bit more realistic and think of things that we can actually do on our everyday life, then that's going to have a much bigger impact, even though it might seem smaller.
Okay, thanks. So maybe if to help people like a bit more concrete, do you have a goal like that you have for this year, that you
Yeah.
can share with us so that we can like just kind of like concretely work out what does that look like?
Yeah, I do have a goal, and
Mhm.
that is around being a bit more mindful when I eat, because
Mm.
I am definitely someone who looks at their phone while I eat breakfast, or I'll eat while I work. I'll eat lunch while I'm working, and things like that. And so I'm not really paying attention to what I'm eating, or I'll eat too fast and then feel a little bit
Mm.
sick afterwards. So my goal this year is to like put my phone aside more often and step away from the computer and just take 15 minutes to enjoy and eat my food, and yeah, just be a bit more mindful, because it's so beneficial. I feel good when I do it. So I
Yeah,
need to do it more. Yeah.
that sounds
What
so
about you?
good. I totally resonate. I just, when I'm
Oh
eating,
yeah.
I
Yeah.
just eat so quickly. I'm just like, don't talk to me. I'm just gonna eat.
Yeah.
Right. You're
Mental
right.
health.
I should chew. I should chew my food, like
Yeah.
savor the flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah, even like working out, like, oh, what does this taste like? 'Cause, yeah,
Yeah. 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 Exactly. All those mindful eating strategies.
yeah, that
Definitely.
sounds like a great goal.
What about you, Kit?
Um, for me, I think I want to drink more water. I
Mm.
think I just don't like drink enough liquids, and particularly water. So I was thinking what I could do is I've got lots of drink bottles. I don't know about you, but I feel like everyone has lots of drink bottles in their house. So I'm going to fill them up maybe at the beginning of the day and put them in the kitchen bench, and then try and drink them like throughout the day. So I
Yeah.
think if I can be a bit more concrete, like, 'cause I like everything a bit more concrete. So like maybe
Mm.
one drink bottle I have to drink before, it would be like before breakfast,
Yeah.
one drink bottle before lunchtime, one drink bottle before the afternoon, and maybe one before bed or something. That way I
Yeah.
can like keep track. If I that way
Yeah.
is
Well, that's the thing, because I just eat drink because I work from home from glass. And then I'm like, oh, how many cups of water have I had today? Like I can't really remember. And I'm like, I don't know how much water I've drunk. So I think I need to get back to using a drink bottle so I
Yeah.
can make sure
Yeah,
I'm drinking too.
I don't remember either, but I think I'm
Yeah.
definitely not drinking enough. That's what I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, there'll be long periods. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for that. Well, hopefully, for those of you who are listening, it kind of gives you an idea, and maybe you can even just take on our suggestions of goal. Maybe if you want to be mindful in your eating this year or drink more water like me. But if people wanted to ask you more question or get a consult, Kim, how do they find you?
Yes, you can find me on Instagram at kimlindsay_nutrition or at my website, kimlindsaynutrition.com.
Cool. I'll put all that information down below, and there's a really great blog as well that Kim has, so go follow and read it. And we've got another video coming up, so keep an eye out for the next video, more about nutrition, us chatting. All right, catch you next time. Bye, everyone.